So this is a SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. So guys, how to run chkdsk? Click to start and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Then click to yes for administrator rights. Type chkdsk space c column. C means your C drive, and space, sorry, slash f space slash c, and then hit enter and then click to yes. So guys, if you repair some other drive like DEF, so you can after that restart. Restart your system, then properly deep scanning, like start this one. Okay, fix C drive. After that your system will be restart. Welcome screen. Okay, so click to start, type service, right click to run as administrator, then click background, this background installations, transfer service. So double click to open, starter type automatic, then click to start, and then apply, and then okay, then select, then again click to restart. If already started, already is working, start, so you can click on restart. Okay, then close it.